Rose brought the proposal to me, and I was keen to explore that with Ria from CorporateDNA to support what Rose and I were thinking in terms of developing our people slightly differently.
So we started really talking about a talent management and succession program, and we spent about 9 or 10 months really looking at processes, policies, systems that we could put in place to identify talent, to develop talent, to motivate talent. And then quickly, because of, I think, fueled by the British Energy merger, we felt the need to fast track something with people where we move from processes, policies to really making things happen now. So the program is rooted in leadership psychology, which says that one of the biggest and most complex transitions that individuals have to make is when they move from senior management into leadership positions. There are typically 3 fears that people would face that would hold them back, and the program addresses the 3 fears quite deeply. Psychology says that adults are much more geared and more prepared to learn new things when they are placed into new environments, but given all the support they need to be willing to experiment with those environments.
The programme is really a deep experiential programme based on 3 modules spread over 3 months. The 3 different modules are spread over time and give time for people to practice in between times and try and achieve some of the objectives they've got, and the one-to-one session gives them help with particular issues that they're facing. There are some important principles that underpin this whole programme. 2 of the most important for sure are the first one that we call the arc of distortion, and this is the difference between how you think people perceive you and how you wish to be perceived, and how people actually perceive you. The second important principle is everybody has within them considerable natural potential, but actually many things in life interfere with that. So people's performance is their potential reduced by the interferences that they suffer.
It's really a group intervention where you're learning in front of your peers, and that's very, very powerful because you're willing to expose, embrace, learn, unlearn in front of a very safe and trusted group.
People are prepared to take on something that's different from what they've read and understood to be the textbook case for the company in terms of development. They're keen to be part of something that's pioneering.
So there's a real kind of time pressure as well to make sure that these almost ready leaders become the real leaders of tomorrow.
It's about having more impact, more influence and greater presence in the workplace, and the feedback from participants just says that they really are benefiting from the programme very rapidly.
And really now about opening up to that wider community, getting different people from the different business units together, really developing those people that we've identified that can make that next move.
Because of the way we have worked within the EDF context of what charisma means, what emotional intelligence means, and because it's rooted within the business culture of what charisma could look like for leaders of tomorrow, the appetite for receiving it, accepting it, and kind of learning to use it has been that much greater.